Alright, so let's look at days. Days. So we use on for days and in for months. So, on. So Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I will teach on Monday. I will go to the park on Tuesday. I will go to the beach on Wednesday. I will go to the meeting on Thursday. I will go to France on Friday. I will be here on Saturday. I am not going to be there on Sunday. Makes sense. Very good. And then we have week. So the week is really all 7. All 7 days. Very nice. And we have weekend. Weekend, Saturday and Sunday. The end of the week. End of the week. Makes sense. Okay? And then you're going to say we have weekdays. Weekday, which is Monday to Friday. A day of the week. Weekday, day of the week. Makes sense. And then we could say today. Today, now. Today. Today is Saturday. Saturday. Today is Saturday. And tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday. Tomorrow is Sunday. Yesterday. Yesterday. Yesterday was Friday. So yesterday was Friday. Today is Saturday. Tomorrow is Sunday. So what day is it? Today is Monday. Monday and tomorrow is Tuesday. Yesterday was Sunday. Makes sense. Today is Thursday. Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Tomorrow is Friday. Thursday. How cool is that? But really, today is Saturday. So tomorrow is Sunday and yesterday was Friday. Makes sense. It is the weekend. End of the week. Saturday, Sunday. Weekend. Well, weekday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You could say yesterday was a weekday. Yesterday was a weekday. Or if it's Friday, tomorrow is the weekend. Makes sense. How cool is that? How cool is that? So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Week, weekday, weekend. Yesterday, today, tomorrow. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep going.